Hello everyone, my name is Chitrakshi. So today we continue our calligraphy code series. So today our day 3. So first of all, hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. So without any further delay, let's get started. So in today's video, we will understand the background making through using leaf. So what a nice background. Okay. So first we will simply have a leaf, and I have my DOMS brush pen. I have red, orange, pink and yellow. You can choose your favorite color also. And remember that the background is light if you writing with a dark pigment, and if your background is dark, so you will write with the light pigment. Okay, so remember this rule. So simply I just cover this leaf with this color, my leaf color. So I put some few drops of water. See the pigment. Any leaves like this. So you can make the color, put the color on the leaf and put it on this. So like this our background made. So our today's quote is, consistency is more important than perfection. Okay, so let's write. First, I'm just draw guidelines.